Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and today I'm going to review this Pond's Intensive Wrinkle Correcting Oil and Cream. As you all know, I love experimenting with my skincare and explore new products, so I decided to try this Pond's Oil and Cream mainly because of its ingredients. So in today's review video, I'm going to talk about these parameters one by one. The packaging is really nice. The tube comes packed in an outer cardboard carton. The tube is red in color, resonating with the theme of Pond's anti-aging range. I really love this tube packaging. It's really convenient and hygienic, and you just need to pump the required amount, and since there is zero to minimum contact with the air, so there is less risk of contamination due to air. Alright, now let's talk about its composition. This oil and cream contains retinol C complex, which is infused with other micro oils such as sweet almond oil, argan oil, marula oil, jojoba oil, rosa canina oil. This was what I was talking about when I saw these ingredients in a single cream. I was so pumped to try this cream out, and you all know my obsession with facial oils. So it's basically a mini spa in a tube. Now retinol C, as most of you may know, is a really powerful skincare ingredient. It helps in rejuvenating and resurfacing the skin and makes your skin look very vibrant and clear. Because of its small molecular structure, it can deeply penetrate into your skin and improve its elasticity, and it also helps in removing any damage done by pollution or other environmental factor, and thus makes your skin very vibrant, soft, smooth and even. Other micro oil present in this cream are really effective and are well known for their properties such as smoothing, brightening, moisturizing. So they help rejuvenate the skin from deep within and reveal a brighter, firmer and well moisturized skin. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to use this product. So take a pea-size amount of product at the back of your hand and dot it on your face. Concentrate more on the areas where you need more nourishment, and then gently massage it in. It's very lightweight and gives an instant pump effect to the skin. Don't forget your neck. Use it as a night cream for deep intensive skincare. You can also use it as a day cream, but don't forget to use a sunscreen with it. This cream is suitable for all skin type, and you can use it if you are 25 and above. I was really excited to try this oil and cream, mostly because of its oil and cream concept and because of its ingredients. This is the first ever retinol cream that I have ever used, and I'm so glad that I picked it up and I tried it on. So I applied it after cleansing and toning, and my skin was visibly plumped, moisturized and smooth and a little bit even the next morning. Yes, after a single use. Let me tell you about my skin type. So I have a normal skin type and I'm not suffering from any breakout these days, fortunately, mostly because of my diet control. But this cream didn't trigger any breakout whatsoever, and surprisingly this cream is really lightweight. I don't know why I thought that this cream is going to be one of those, oily moisturizer or oily cream, but it's not like that. So you can use it even if you have oily skin. So I really loved the effect of this cream on my skin, and I'm so excited to see how this performs in the long run. You can buy it offline from any Pond's counter near you, or you can buy it online from Nykaa or Amazon. I will put the links down in the description box below. Order it from whatever platform that you like. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope this video was useful for you and you enjoyed watching it. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.